Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting exactly where the rule lives. That saves time. Once selected, go to Home, choose Conditional Formatting, then Manage Rules. You do this because the manager lists active rules and shows the rule preview, which helps you spot the one to remove. Make sure to change the top drop-down to reflect your selection. Otherwise, you'll see sheet-level rules that don't affect your cells. This first step narrows focus, so the next steps delete the correct rule without breaking other formats. Now you identify the specific rule, read the formula, or check the preview. Excel shows the applied range. Once you find it, select that rule and click Delete Rule. This removes the conditional instruction. If you're not sure, click Edit Rule to view the exact logic and affected range, because that prevents accidental removal. After deletion, click Apply so changes take effect. You do this to maintain other conditional formats. Deleting blindly could remove needed highlights elsewhere. Finish by clicking Apply, then OK, and inspect the cells to confirm the rule is gone. If formatting stays, make sure the affected cells aren't in a table or using a custom cell style. Those can reapply formats. Once done, you can also use Home Conditional Formatting clear rules from selected cells or entire sheet to force removal. If things go wrong, check the Rules Manager again with the correct dropdown. Sometimes rules live at sheet level, so change the view and repeat the delete step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.